Good morning, students. Hope you all fine. All of you take your English textbook for the class. And today we are going to study a new poem. That is the first poem, The Squirrel, written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. And all of you take the page number 17 for the class. Students, all of you take the page number 17, The Squirrel, written by Mildred Bower Armstrong. First of all, do you like squirrel? Do you know squirrel? I think most of them like the squirrel, no? And you may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nuts. What did it look like? Here is a poet's descriptions of a just such as a squirrel. Here is a poem about a squirrel, okay? He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Here is this a simple poem. You have to read this poem, and here is no any difficult words. So I directly enter to the summary. He wore a question mark for a tail. Here is a squirrel is a fun-loving creature. It sits on the tree and eat nuts. It has a tail with a curve at the tip. The tail look like question marks. Its loose skin look like grey overcoat. It like to play. When a person runs after it, it goes in the opposite direction. This is the poem, and you have to read this poem. This is very simple poem, and you have the homework that I will give you the question answers of this poem. You have to write this on your English note neatly. Thank you, students, for watching this class. And today you have two homework, that is you have to write the question answers of the first lesson, that is 3 questions, and the first poem, The Squirrel. And you have to copy this question answers to your English classwork note, and with neatly you have to copy this question answers to that your classwork note, and I will send you the photos of the question answers. You have to copy this one. Thank you, children.